Google is ending support for their Gen 1 and Gen 2 Nest Thermostat. What in the world does that mean? Here's what it means for you. So as of October 25th, 2025, software support for that thermostat is going away, and so you'll no longer have access on the phone to be able to control it remotely. But manual use is still going to be available. However, they're no longer going to be offering updates on Gen 1 and Gen 2. So what Google is doing is they are offering a way to upgrade to the Gen 4 Nest thermostat that still has all the support, the functionality and whatnot. And so it's $149 for that. Now, that does not include installation. So if you're able to install the thermostat yourself, by all means, go do that. But if you need to hire a professional to do the installation, it's $149 plus whatever the installation fee would be to do that thermostat. We have a better solution. How about $119 for a specialized Yarbrough Home Thermostat, where support is from yours truly, Yarbrough Sons, and we will provide a new thermostat that has the app is our logo, which we think is pretty sweet, and then it has all the same functionality of a Nest thermostat. User interface is great. It also comes with a really cool LED backlight, which works great as a night light. So we think it's pretty cool. So we've been in business since 1988, so 37 years, which is wild. And so we appreciate serving the Oklahoma City metro area. So if you are someone who has a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Nest thermostat and you're losing the support from Google, and that thermostat's going to start going downhill over time, then give us a call. You can get a brand new Yarbrough Home Thermostat for $119.
Yarbrough Sons.